Hey everyone, this is Michelle with Dimples Hair, and this video is to show you how to use our new wholesale website. This is specifically for our current wholesale partners. So with that being said, you're going to want to go to dimplesb2b.com. You can see that right up here. Once you enter the website, you'll see this little teeny bust here in the corner, the upper right hand side. Go ahead and click on that. It's going to prompt you to enter your email. I've entered mine before, so that's why that pops up. Then my computer is just making sure it's me. You won't see that part. Go ahead and click continue. And then you'll be prompted to enter a 6-digit code. The 6-digit code is going to be sent to your current email. So that's 375314. Okay, so once you enter that and submit it, it's going to bring you to this page where you just click on shop and it opens the home page. Now, when you've actively used the account, you'll get your account information over here. I'm just going to close that using this right arrow. But you can use any of these buttons here at the top of the home page to go navigate wherever it is that you need to go. So click on toppers, for instance. I'm going to go ahead and click on Clio 12L just to show you how that works. Inside, you're going to see information about the topper, the customers that benefit the most, and other specs. Also, you'll see all the color options available. What's great about this is that you can select the number of toppers you need in each color for that particular style without navigating in and out. I'm just going to randomly select a couple so I can show you what happens. Also, note that the recommended retail price is listed here, but your discount price is here. So my test site shows me with a discount of 50%. So please check to make sure the discount that you believe should be appearing is appearing. And if not, reach out to us so that we can help modify that before you place your first order. I'm going to go ahead and add that to my cart. You can see it's being added. I'm going to go ahead and once that's finished, I'm going to go back to the top of the page, click on this little purse, which is the cart. I'm going to double check my order, make sure that my discounted wholesale price is showing. It is showing correctly. And you can see that I was in here before. There was an additional one there. I'm going to proceed to checkout. And any notes that I need to add here, I'm going to add. And then I'm also going to include my address. So you can add new address here. We have not added the addresses in the background just in case they've changed. And then once you click continue, all of the information from your credit card will need to be entered and processed. So I hope this is helpful, and I hope you were able to access the website or reach out to Rachel. Her information will also be listed below.